Our lives are made of connections to places, experiences, and the ones we care about. Exposure to germs and cross-contamination is unavoidable, so keeping the surfaces people touch sanitized is a must. Until now, there's never been an industrial-strength solution to kill bacteria without using harsh chemicals that leave harmful residues and irritants behind. We've harnessed the power of nature to revolutionize the way you sanitize, deodorize, and clean. Introducing EnozoPro, a spray bottle that turns normal tap water into active ozone water. With the pull of a trigger, Aqueous ozone is produced on demand through our active diamond electrolytic process technology, where water passes over a solid diamond electrode, is charged with an electrical current, and turned into ozonated water. EnozoPro is capable of killing 99.9% of most harmful bacteria like E. coli, Salmonella, Listeria, Legionella, MRSA, and others in 30 seconds. It's really simple. Fill, spray, and wipe. It contains no detergents, dyes, or perfumes like typical sanitizers. With EnozoPro, you are guaranteed one ingredient only: normal tap water. It's a multi-purpose sanitizing and deodorizing solution for surfaces like countertops, toilets, showers, and more. It's environmentally responsible and replaces thousands of bottles of bleach and cloth-based cleaners. Sanitize and deodorize food surface prep areas, dining spaces, and other hard surfaces in restaurants. EnozoPro helps prevent the spread of foodborne illness by killing bacteria like Salmonella and E. coli. Ozone is approved by the major organizations you trust, so you can sanitize surfaces with confidence. Our mission is to empower you to sanitize everything you touch using one of nature's most powerful sanitizers. EnozoPro is professional cleaning and sanitizing simplicity in the palm of your hand, because nature works best.